What's up guys, I'm Cameron. This is Relentless Shine, and this is the new Tesla Model S Plaid Edition, AKA it's a rocket ship with wheels. So if they stuck wings on this thing, it would take you to Mars. All right, so we are doing full car clear bra, everything, window trim to be included. So now that they come blacked out versus chrome, they're easily scratched. So that's something you definitely want to add to the job when you're doing full car. So we're going to show a time lapse of the front bumper, the main piece being installed. Kind of get to see what it's like to work with clear bra film. Pretty simple, just repeat the process on every panel, front to back, top to bottom, so that it is protected. So it'll protect from bug guts, bird droppings, rock chips, and road debris across the front. Door dings. It will not stop a dent, but it will stop paint transfer from light door dings or kids' handlebars on bicycles, that kind of thing. It is lifetime warranted clear bra, not to turn yellow, crack, fall apart. Of course, we stand behind our installation, so if there's an issue with the installation, normally it'll show itself in the first couple of weeks. We'll want to take care of that. So if you like the videos, be sure to subscribe, turn on the alerts so you can see when new videos drop. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments. We'll be happy to answer. If you have any requests for a specific car we get coming in the future you want to see us work on, drop them in the comments. We'll see what we can do about getting them in here. We do have some do-it-yourself ceramic coating. We've got an excellent car wash soap. It is very strong soap, super user-friendly, low streaking, can do foam cannon, rinseless, 2-bucket method, whatever you want. It works great. We'll drop a link below for that. And we also have a really good spray wax. So all that stuff's compatible and designed for being used with clear bra and ceramic coatings. So those will be below. Thanks. We also do window tint. We use Autobahn Performance Films, lifetime warranted film, no bubbles, no turning purple. It is a three layers in the middle of the film so they don't deteriorate over time. Ceramic film, excellent heat rejection, and OEM black in color, not brown or blue. We don't advertise that a whole lot, but it is something that we normally end up doing on a lot of the cars through here, kind of one-stop shop.